all new i20, the 2023 model, and this is finished in a beautiful starry night color. So this is one of the premium hatchbacks you can buy in the price range of 7 to 8 lakhs. This car came on road maybe about 10.5 to 1070, but being the sports model, you get all the features from the front except for the projector headlamps, but you do get the DRLs, you get a sporty lip spoiler, you get this beautiful sloping design which came in the Ford Mustang Fastback. You get this all black alloys and auto closing mirrors that close when the car is switched off or locked. And on the side profile you can see the car is very well maintained. This car sold just about in 5 days because absolutely no scratches, there's no dents, there were no replacements, and the car was really well maintained. So this car is according to me one of the best premium hatchbacks you can buy. From the back, the i20 looks quite sporty. You've got this huge chrome strip, you've got a red diffuser which is under the number plate which makes the car look quite sporty. You've got the Z-shaped tail lamps, you have this rear camera which is very good, which gives you a good view at the back, and the quality is also quite good. Boot is openable through the key as well as a sensor over there. Decent amount of boot space, a rear parcel shelf. Decent for your weekend outings if you're a small family, but overall this is a very nice laid out car. On the inside you get this all digital speedometer which makes the car again look more premium. So in my opinion, this is again a very good car to pick up if you're looking for an automatic premium hatchback in the price range of 6.5 to 7.5 lakhs. This retailed about 10.5 lakhs on road, so this is a great pick according to me. So this is a 2023 i20. This is an automatic. This is an IVT automatic, not the IMT and not the DCT, but the IVT automatic. And this has done about 17,000 kilometers. So this is the sports variant. So first things first, you come to know that there is no automatic climate control. You have the manual air conditioner here. You do get telescopic and height adjustable steering. So which is a very good feature what Hyundai is giving in these cars at the sports variant, and which is actually helpful in the daily city traffic. So I, as a person, like my steering to be all the way in, and see, all the way in. So I have a clearer view of the speedometer and also the screen. So overall, this is similar to the previous i20 I owned, and that was an IMT Asta variant, and it also comes with the same full black, all interior black styling, and with these nice silver accents on the steering wheel and this very sporty steering wheel that they have given. So overall, this is a very new car. This is a 23 model. This is only about 2-year-old car. So all interior is neat and clean. You've got these big lights over here. You've got a sunglass holder and a mirror over there. Obviously no mirror over here. And you have your basic switches, your your mirror switch, which is actually automatic. When the car opens and closes, it does that function accordingly. So you have your automatic headlights over here. You have an all digital display that I mentioned, and this is animated. So you get, so like in case the door is open, you actually can feel the door open, see that the door is open. Then you have this function over here, which you can see the tire pressure monitor. You can adjust all these settings. So this is a sports variant. It's pretty advanced. You've got, I think, cruise control over here. And recently there was an error that said that one of the lights wasn't working, and we replaced that. So overall, this is a very good and comfortable premium sedan to be in, and I've been liking the i20s because of the quite good comfort that they give, the seat comfort. You've got this lovely fit finish. You've got this glove compartment over here, which is actually, it's a very nice smooth finish compared to the Venue I owned. And all this interior looks very premium, and it feels very premium to be in this car. I love this design, this, a racing car kind of design that they've given over here. And this car is very comfortable to drive in city. It's a little low compared to the Venue, but actually it is pretty good on these roads. So it's misted up a bit, so I don't think there is automatic wipers because I don't see the auto function over here. But overall, this is a fully loaded car for my liking. It's got a nice music system, which I don't want to play right now, but it has this Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So you can, and this is not the full touchscreen. This comes with the keys, like the top end Asta variant comes with a full touchscreen. But I don't feel that, you know, it doesn't make quite a much of a difference. So over here you have your space to keep your phone. You don't get a wireless charger over here. You get one USB port. You get this 12-watt socket, and I think, okay, so only these two things over here. So the glove compartment, not sure if it is cool, but it is quite cool over here, and just still in love with this design. So overall, this is an all black i20. This is in a starry night color, and I'm actually enjoying driving this car. The automatic gear is very it's very smooth compared to the CVT. But so let's take this car on a drive and see how it fares. And overall, I've been enjoying driving this car, and this car should be on sale for around 7.5 to 8 lakhs on the used car market. So let's take a drive on this i20. So this is a 2023 single owner, done just about 17,856 kilometers, and this is an IVT automatic, not the AMT, not the CVT, but this is the IVT. So firstly, I love the car. The car is performing really well. I had the IMT variant before, and that variant was the manual gearbox with the IMT function, which is basically without the clutch. But this is a complete total automatic. It's not the DCT, it's not as quick as the DCT gearboxes, but it is quite more responsive than the CVT gearbox. So in this price segment, if you'll be comparing cars, you'll be looking at something like the let's say the Jazz. So on a premium hatchback segment, if you're looking at something like the Jazz, I feel this car in the 7 to 8 lakh range in the used car market is probably one of the best picks, because there's no other car that gives you this level quality, fit finish, this nice large touchscreen, this beautiful looking design. Okay, you get a manual air conditioner, you got lots of space to keep your things over here, and you have a center armrest. And this car is very easy to turn. They're very light on the steering. So all Hyundais are brilliant on their steering. And check out that acceleration. So basically this car, you know, it's quite responsive. It makes a bit of sound. It goes through these bumps pretty easily. And all in all, you've got good overview visibility that this car's got is brilliant. And responsiveness of the steering is what I love. And if you see, I'm actually accelerating quite a bit. I'm doing over 34, and the car is, you know, performing pretty well. So imagine this in the city driving conditions, in start and stop traffic. You don't get that jumpiness in the IVT gearbox, unlike the AMTs, but you have more control over the, you know, the speed of the car. So I'm taking this car on a bumpier patch right now, and this car is, I mean, because of this very light steering, you can actually maneuver the car quite well. And I feel, even though the down is a bit, you know, you've got the spoiler and all, the side skirts, the car doesn't hit at the bottoms. So overall, this is a very good car to drive in the city streets. Highly recommended in the 7 to 8 lakhs range if you're looking for a used vehicle. And overall, this is a good pick, a good car, a very fuss-free decision. The Hyundais are brilliant at their, you know, at their sales and service.